Today, we are going to Waterton. Washington. Waterton. And gonna pick up Micah and Olivia. Behind us is Bok and Ali. So we are going to pick up first Micah and Olivia, and then after that we're heading to Waterton. Waterton. See you in a bit.
Waterton. What are we gonna do at Waterton? Is that your upuan? Mochi thinks that's her car seat. I think that's...
Or she wants to see the window.
Yeah. Because that's her view.
Right
Yeah.
One more.
Michi, kiss tita. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. It's green peas from the fields. How was it?
You like it? Yeah.
Have some more. Sana pala
It's
nagpadala
yummy.
tayo marami nito. Ito yung mahal na dito eh. Eat healthy. Hindi sila ate. Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Chicken wings ka?
Yeah. Chicken wings.
Yung
How about
one
you,
pound?
baby? Yeah.
May hot cauliflower pa na.
Maybe I'll try burger.
No, masarap. Huh? You want a burger?
Yeah, the big Canadian burger.
Big Canadian burger. Okay. Okay.
You're gonna get Appy?
Appy's chicken wings. How many pounds chicken wings?
Ikaw, marami.
2 pounds?
Yeah. Blue Jays. Walang Blue Jays dito eh. Magpie, ano yan?